Hello guys, welcome to my channel Guide and Ride. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of Vivo Y11. It's a budget mid-range smartphone and you can see a few specifications over there, like it's 32 GB inbuilt memory, 3 GB RAM, and it's having a massive 5000 mAh battery itself. And nothing, oh yeah, the main important thing nowadays is, yeah, this is obviously made in India. And apart from that, the MRP written in the package is 12,990. Actual price of this model is going to be 9990, means 9990. So you can easily call it a budget and mid-range smartphone. So here we can see that the box contains one headset, one charger, one USB cable and warranty card, quick start guide, SIM eject pin and case. Let's not waste any more time, straight get back to the unboxing. So we need to cut the seal wrap first, and yeah, it's almost done. Yeah, so this is the box, and here everything is mentioned over there. Yeah, now I'm going to cut the seal over here. Yeah, so let's check the box. Yeah, so first of all, we are having one small packet here, and it's having SIM ejector pin, some user manual, user guide and warranty guides and all, and yeah, a soft silicone case, which is yeah, it's a good quality soft silicone case. And here we are having our device, which is Vivo Y11. Yeah, check out the color guys, it's a kind of glass body. Yeah, and it's very glossy over here, you can see. So let's come to the physical overview. Here you will be getting one 3.5mm headphone jack, one microphone. Here you will be getting one micro USB charging port, and the vent for speaker grill. On the right side of the phone you are getting one power off and on button, one volume rocker. On the left side you are getting a SIM tray, and on the top of the phone you are getting nothing. On the back side of the phone we are getting one fingerprint sensor, one LED flash over here, and it's clearly mentioned that it is AI dual camera. So the camera specification is going to be 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel. So we are going to check the SIM card slot. Vivo has given us, wow, it's a triple slot, one micro SD card, one SIM, nano SIM and second nano SIM. Yeah, it's a good thing that Vivo is giving us a 3-slot tray even in budget mid-range smartphone also. So let's boot up the phone. Yeah, and in the meantime let's check it out in the box. Here are some IMEI stickers, and yeah, we are getting a massive power brick, and it's 5 volt 2 ampere, and it's not a fast charger guys, it's a normal charger. And apart from that we are getting one USB to micro USB cable for charging. So let's pack all these things inside the box and keep all these things aside. And now just we can do one thing, you can just set the cover. Yeah, it's very tight, you know, but yeah, it's good for your protection also. See, this is the silicone case provided by Vivo. So now it's time to set up my phone. Hey guys, so the phone startup has been completed. Now I can press use now. Yeah, the system configuration, and yeah, it will be here about phone. Yeah, from about phone we can see that these are the IMEI numbers. These are the version Android 9. Security level is also installed of June. Processor we can find 1.95 gigahertz Snapdragon 439 octa-core processor, and it's having 3 GB RAM, and the OS is FunTouch OS 9.1. So these are the all informations of these phones. Now just quickly check out the camera. Yeah, it's typical Vivo interface, and here you will be getting a few filters, and These are hopefully, yeah, for bokeh effect. This is for full screen mode, and this is for HDR on and off. This is for flash on and off. Here is setting button. We'll be getting AI beauty over here. You'll be getting panorama mode. We'll be getting pro. So you can modify whatever the settings you require in pro mode. And apart from that, if you are okay with auto mode, then you can just click on this shutter button. This is the unboxing of all new Vivo Y11, and it's the agate red color, having 3 GB RAM, 32 GB inbuilt memory, and its price is 9,990 in Flipkart and Amazon both. So if you want, I can give you the Best Buy link in the description below. So this much guys, stay healthy, stay safe. See you again.